Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you that you can send the files via AirDrop from the Android device to iPhone. So the answer is simple, you can't, but now I'm going to show you the quick method how you can do it like a AirDrop feature. So in the first step we have to open the App Store on the iPhone device or Apple device and Play Store on the Android device. Then look for the Send Anywhere app on both devices. Of course, install it. Okay, now we can open it. If you're launching this app for the first time, you have to agree to terms and policy. Now tap on the continue and allow permissions. Click OK. And now just select the files that you want to send. On Android device, click send and choose receive on the Apple device. Now choose the, type the code from Android device on Apple. And all process starting automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.